Welcome back, everyone. So we got our walnut media in today. Get the dang gloves on. Hairline popped off. I'm not running the dust collector because it's walnut. I think I might need a harder abrasive like glass or sand. But sand you gotta be careful with because there's a silica or whatever it's called you can get from it. Which is why they're trying to currently ban sand. But this ain't doing jack squat. I mean, it's blowing it out, but it's not blasted. Trying to find probably gonna get people in the comments, you are an idiot. But I'm going to use a pair of vice grips to hold that line on because I don't have try to move this over. I don't have a hose clamp. I put it on, it's missing. So I'll just vice grip this hose on and hope for the best, I guess. Air pressure somewhat seems like it's running good. Okay. Oh, I ain't doing jack squat. Hmm. Part of my gloves coming off. As you can probably see right there. It's coming off. Yeah, gonna have to order or find a hose clamp. And I think I might need to get some sand or glass. I don't think this walnut's working for what I need it to do. So basically I'm gonna be doing paint removal, rust removal, my full tractor parts and ATV parts, and it does seem to be working that well. So this is using the Vevor 90-gallon sandblast cabinet fell. And I also missing a whole bunch of stuff, and stuff's damaged on the cabinet, so that probably doesn't help. But I will catch you guys on the next one.